Don't make the same mistake that I made, y'all.
Let me fix them up.
So I am so proud of myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so I know it's been a while. I don't know where to look at. Sorry, I'm using my front camera because I need to see what's going on. Let me move a few of these things out the way. I am just here to show you guys different random things and stuff. So today I'm gonna record like 2 other videos, I think, maybe 1 or 2 other videos. And I already have another video recorded, but I just haven't got it uploaded yet. But I wanted to show you guys a few things that I got in the mail, like literally over the last like few weeks. I've opened a bunch of stuff. If y'all only seen how my office gets when I don't open up my packages, like literally it is filled with packages, and I usually just like wait and open them all up. But I ordered this, so y'all know, well, I don't know if this is in like everybody's city, but in most cities, beauty supplies are non-essential, so they are shut down or closed or whatever. So your girl had to order from Yours Tia Beauty Supply. If you guys did not know, I did have my products at her beauty supply, and I made a video about it. I'll have that link down below and up above so you guys can check it out. But you guys should definitely check out her beauty supply. She is located in San Antonio. She's located in Texas, and she also has an online shop. So I ordered some edge control. I don't usually use edge control like that much how I used to. Like, I don't even do my edges anymore. I just kind of like, you know, yeah, unless like I have like a wig or something. So yeah, let me sit back a little bit. So I purchased this Tray Pretty Quick ponytail. I don't know when I'm gonna wear this, maybe for my birthday. I love this. Love it, love it. I think I'm gonna get on there and order another one today, actually. So here is how it looks, and then it just has the drawstring. You'll just put your hair in a ponytail and then just put this around and tighten it. It's very simple, and I love it so much. I'm gonna fluff it up, and I cannot wait to wear this. If you guys wanna purchase it, I'll have a link down below. And in the notes section or something, you guys can say like, oh, from Kanisha's channel or something like that. Here's my next box, and I'm pretty sure this has my lash packs in it and my eyelash trays. I only ordered a little bit, but I just want to show you guys. And if y'all real like OGs, y'all know I used to always do unboxings. Now it's so extra. I unboxed a whole bunch of other stuff, but I didn't record it for y'all, so I'm gonna still show y'all what I got. I restocked on my lash packs, and this is how they look. They're only $5.90. So if you guys are interested and you guys like silk or foaming lashes, these are for you, girl. So here's how they look, guys. Super cute. Love them. Also purchased empty lash trays. I ordered like 100 of these ones. And y'all, let me show you the difference. Literally, I did something that I'll be telling y'all to make sure y'all don't do. And I did it. So as you can see, there is a size difference. My eyelashes fits these trays, not these ones. These are too small. So I couldn't sell eyelashes because these trays were too small, and I didn't want it to look like ratchet. Don't make the same mistake that I made, y'all, because that was super annoying. And yeah, so now we just have a bunch of lash trays for no reason. But yeah, I have a bunch of these. So if you guys like them, go purchase now. You can use a discount code. I have the holiday baddie packs, and they look similar to this. And I ran out of these lashes. Actually, I ordered a bunch, but the order got canceled. So I had to order more. And so I'll have a new baddie to go pack with this style lash pack inside. So you guys will be able to purchase this. Instead of this style, just one single lash, you guys will be able to purchase it with 5 eyelashes, tweezers, accessory, and a lippy. So here is the lashes with the boxes, and they actually just sent me these for free, so I'm gonna use them. But it looks so cute, and I'm gonna just add my sticker probably on the back. Like I said, these are just boxes that they added in for free. I probably would have purchased like pink or gold or white or something like that. So yeah, but these are really cute and cool. So if you guys like these, go purchase. I only have a couple of these boxes, so if you guys purchase and you don't have a box, that's why. But yeah, so those are really cute and definitely love those. Wait, I have this package right here. Let's see what this is. I think I know what it is, but I'm not for sure yet. So let's see. Y'all, I have so many packages coming in. I know I've been saying, y'all, I have so much inventory coming in for like the last 3 months, but it's been a struggle. What is this? Guys. Wow.
Oh my God. Wow.
So a while ago, it said that my package was delivered. It said that I had a package delivered and I had some eyelashes in because I wanted to sample from a vendor or whatever. And it said that they were delivered, but I didn't receive them. Oh my God, I'm literally so excited right now. Literally, y'all, I'm so excited. So it said that it delivered, and then I'm like, but it's not here though.
You did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
So then I was just like, okay, like somebody stole my package or the tracking was just off. So these are actually some eyelashes that I wanted to sample. These are cruelty-free mink eyelashes, and they're between, I think, like 15 to 25 mm. I was waiting for these lashes and I thought like it was just over with, so I was just gonna go with a different seller. But you guys, they're here. And look at them. So cute. I started off with lashes like this, like super fluffy lashes and stuff when I first started. But alright, well, I started off with like a bunch of different styles. Short ones, I have really thick ones. If you guys have any lash names, comment them down below. Let me change this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so can y'all see me? I wanted to show you guys up close how the lashes look. So if you guys want to purchase, you can go ahead and purchase. It looks like this. I love this one. This one reminds me of my style claw that I used to have. This reminds me of my old style kind of bougie, but it's like shorter. Love that. We have this one. It's still thick, but it's more shorter. Ooh, this is really cute. This one is really full, and it gives you like that cat eye wing effect. Cute. Look, guys, super cute. This one is thick, girl. She's thick and long. Another cute little thick style. I moved to the floor. Hopefully it looks good. Got some exciting things I wanted to show y'all. I recorded this video, but I believe that I was cramping, so I was not in the best mood at all. And then I just went to go lay down, and I never even watched it over. I never edited it. So I did unbox my lip glosses for you guys, but I just don't think that footage is good. I'll show you guys my new lip glosses. I have one on now where it's been on for like 2 hours. But I have on shade Sasha. I don't have any other shade names except for Sasha, so help me out down below if I don't have them up already by the time you guys are watching this. It's like this really cute pink. It actually matches my nails, and it's super glossy, and it smells so good. It's a thick gloss, but not sticky, and I really do love it. It's thick, but it's still lightweight. I don't like those glosses where it's so messy on your lips, and then it's like running and stuff. It's not like that at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the shades. So I basically just did like a lot of like pinky colors. Here are the 5 shades that I have. They came in a different box, but you guys know my boxes that I usually have. These ones, I'm gonna put them in here. So when you guys purchase these, they will come in here. Also, if you guys purchase the lash pack, you do get a gloss that comes with it, and these are the glosses. So you would either get one of these, or you would get one of these. And here are my other glosses. Super cute, right? This shade, pink, and these ones are like on the pink side as well. We have a clear one, so if you guys just want clear, I got you, girl. Here's a clear one. Reddish color one that I have. A hot pink. It kind of looks red. Here they are. So cute. Lash packs, you guys know that it comes with an accessory, so I have some of these little cute hoop earrings, and I love small earrings. As you can see, I also have necklaces, and I have bracelets and anklets and rings and all of that, so it's just random. And then also I have some tweezers. So in the lash packs, these are the tweezers that you guys will receive in the lash packs, and they're just plastic pink tweezers, and I think they're so cute. Yeah, I'm super excited. And again, here are the mixed feelings lash packs, and then I also have some lashes for you guys. I want to show you guys one last thing that I have available on my website before I go, and it's these stack pants. Guys, let me fix them up. I set a goal for the following Wednesday. So yesterday I set a goal to reach a certain amount, and I literally surpassed that goal by so much in a day. Like not even a full 24 hours, like some hours. So I am so proud of myself. Pat myself on the back. I don't know like what's going on, but all I can say is when you guys are trying to accomplish something, set goals. I don't care if it's a baby goal. If you guys want to get 1 order a day, girl, set that goal. Set that goal. If you guys want to get 3 orders a day, like on the weekends, you know, people are probably going to buy more. Whatever your goal is and whatever you want to accomplish, you guys need to be working towards them and just setting them. Break it down. Which day do you think you'll get the most traffic on your website? And just really break everything down. When you break things down, it just makes it so much easier to accomplish the goal, instead of just saying, oh, I want to make $10,000 a month. How much do you want to make a day? You know, how much do you want to make a week? Like, instead of just like the big picture or whatever, just try to break it down. And I promise you, you will be more successful at accomplishing that goal. I promise. That's the tip for the day. Very proud of myself because it's just been a lot going on with the notebooks, and then with the these stack pants. You guys have been loving them. I literally have everything written down. I've been using my notebook, by the way. Here's my notebooks, custom made, custom made. Every little detail on this notebook is made by me. So if you guys would like one of these, make sure you guys go purchase. By the time you guys are watching this video, I may have some available for purchase. As of now, it's just been so overwhelming, and I've been getting so many orders and just kind of like a lot of emails and stuff about how there's been a delay. So I marked them out of stock just because I don't want any of you guys mad at me for taking too long to get the orders out. And yeah, I put out like a little update thing on my Instagram. And if you guys are watching this and you have purchased a notebook from me, thank you so much for being patient and just being respectful and kind and understanding. We are literally all going through so much right now, and just a lot of things are happening and coming up that are literally out of our control. So if you guys are even purchasing from other small businesses, please do not give them a hard time, guys. Just please, you can give them a hard time during any other time, but not right now. It is just so stressful for us, and most of us, like me, I don't even qualify for like those checks or anything like that. So we literally are still relying on you guys to support us. So if you guys can support any of the small businesses down in the comments below, please do so. I've been shopping with y'all every single day. I keep my word, and yeah, I've been shopping with y'all. And if I have shopped with y'all, make sure you guys let me know. Let everybody know down below. I have a lot of you guys on Instagram, and I talk to y'all a lot. So if you guys don't have me on Instagram, follow me at KDKBeauty_. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. I really love and appreciate you guys so much. Like I said, if you guys want some of these stack pants, go shop. I will have them. I will have like a better video about them and stuff next week when all of them are in stock. So that's why I really didn't like do the most. I even got dressed and everything to show you guys, and I didn't even really show you guys. But maybe I just do like a little mirror clip. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll talk to you guys next time, boss friends. Bye.